Hi friends, today let us solve some integer type questions from chapter 5 laws of motion, and these type of integer questions do come for JEE mains as well as for advanced. So let's start. For question 1, a force of 20 Newton is applied on an object of mass m. The object moves in a straight line with velocity increasing by 20 meter per second in every 2 seconds. Find the mass of the object. So here velocity is increasing by 20 meter per second in every 2 seconds. Velocity is increasing by 20 meter per second in every 2 seconds. So with this given piece of information, we can find acceleration. What is acceleration? Acceleration is rate of change of velocity. That is, acceleration A will be equal to delta V by delta T. That is change in velocity by change in time. Here velocity is 20 meter per second and time is 2 seconds. So we get the acceleration as 10 meter per second square. This is the acceleration. And now they have given us force, that is 20 Newton. Force is 20 Newton. F equals 20 Newton. What do we need to find? We have to find the mass. This is quite simple. F is equal to ma. M is equal to F by A. Force is 20. 20 by acceleration is 10. We get 2 kg. So this is the mass of the object. Now let's move on to the second question. Question 2. A stationary body of mass 3 kg explodes into 3 equal pieces. 2 of the pieces fly off at right angles to each other, one with a velocity of 4I meter per second and other with a velocity of 3J meter per second. Find the average force in Newton acting on the third piece if the explosion takes place in 10 raised to minus 5 seconds. So first let's draw a diagram. So initially there is a body of mass 3 kg. And this body explodes into 3 equal pieces. And 2 of the pieces are flying off at right angles. Okay, so 2 pieces fly off at right angles. So here the angle is 90 degree. 2 of the pieces fly off at right angles to each other, one with a velocity of 4I meter per second and the other with a velocity of 3J meter per second. 4I meter per second means this moves along the x-axis. So this is going to be 4 meter per second. Here it will be 4 meter per second as this is the x-axis. I represents x. I cap represents x-axis. Hence this will be 4 meter per second. And j cap represents y-axis. So this is going to be 3 meter per second. So here the total mass is 3 kg. So if the total mass is 3 kg and if the body explodes into equal pieces, then each of the piece will have mass 1 kg, right? So this is also going to be 1 kg. We have to find the average force acting on the third piece if the explosion takes place in 10 raised to minus 5 seconds. We have been given with time 10 raised to minus 5 second. Here we don't know the velocity of the third piece. So let's assume it to be v. Let's take it as v. This is based on conservation of momentum. So according to the equation of conservation of momentum, m3v3 would be equal to root of m1v1 the whole square plus m2v2 the whole square. This is the equation. Okay. Now let us substitute all the values. On substituting, mass of third body is 1. We don't know what the velocity is. Put it as v itself, or v3. Root of m1 into v1 the whole square. m1 into v1 is 1 into 3 the whole square. Plus m2 v2 1 into 4 whole square. That is v is equal to root of 9 plus 4 square 16, root of 25 which is 5. So we got V as 5 meter per second. Velocity of the third body is 5 meter per second. Now we have to find the average force acting on the third piece. No, F equals ma, right? F is equal to ma. Here we have to find the average force. F equals ma, mass we know it is 1 kg. Acceleration we don't know. So I am writing it in terms of velocity as v minus u by t. V is 5, initial velocity is 0, time is 10 raised to minus 5. So on evaluating, we get it to be 5 into 10 raised to 5 Newton. So this is the force acting on the third piece. So this is our answer. Question 3. A system consisting of two blocks as shown in figure moves over a horizontal smooth surface when a horizontal force of 10 Newton is applied on it. Find tension in Newton in the connecting string neglecting friction. Tension of the first body will be towards right. This will be the tension of the first body. Tension of the second body would be towards left. So this is the tension. Fine. And now we know acceleration is force by mass. A equals F by m. Force is given to us, that is 10 Newton. 4. Mass is 2 plus 2, 4 kg. That would be 5 by 2 meter per second square. If we analyze this body, here a force is acting towards the right, then weight is there mg towards down, down there is mg, then up there is a normal reaction and tension is there. So there are in total 4 forces are acting on this body. In this body, here weight, normal reaction, tension. Only 3 forces are acting. So it will be more good to choose this body. So let us choose this body. For this body, tension is equal to ma. Mass is 2, acceleration is 5 by 2. So tension will be 5 Newton. That's all. And we can take acceleration is equal to F by m. Why I took this is only because here we are neglecting friction and it is a smooth surface. Okay, that is why I chose this equation. So on evaluating everything we got, so here tension is 5 Newton.